Hello, this is Jacopo from New York City. Salve, sono Jacopo da New York. Welcome to my new channel, Ay-Zee Italian, to study and learn Italian, or hopefully to just improve a little bit. Today, we're going to look into something that is usually overlooked by teachers and students alike, the alphabet. The alphabet is of crucial importance, especially in a language like Italian, where the name that we give each single letter of the alphabet almost all the time corresponds to what that same letter of the alphabet will sound like in the context of a syllable, of a word, or of a group of words, like a sentence, for example. So this is why it's so important to familiarize with the alphabet from the very beginning, because it might help you become acquainted with certain phonetic dynamics that you will keep encountering as you keep studying this language. So let's begin. I'm going to break this down into vowels and consonants. In this video, we'll take care of vowels. Vowels are the ones that will probably give you the most trouble, so I figured we might as well take care of them first. Italian has 5 vowels and 5 vowel sounds. Let me say this again. The name that we give a vowel in the alphabet corresponds to what it sounds like in a sentence. This is very important, so let's go. 5 vowels. Listen carefully. I'll say them once, and then I'll say them again, and then we'll repeat them together. Let's go. A, E, I, O, U. Again, also pay attention to the movement of my lips and mouth. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. Good. There we go. So these are the 5 vowels in Italian. Make sure you keep practicing for a few days before you move on to the rest of the alphabet. Practice and say them over and over again until it becomes a natural process without effort. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. A presto. See ya.